Hello everyone, welcome back. So in Java, what is variable? So variables are used to just store some data. Okay. So if we want to store any data in Java, then we must use variable. Suppose if I want to store this name, means we need to create one variable. So I will create one variable name. Okay, so this name I am storing into this name, but this is I kept inside the double quotes. That means this is a string. So in Java we are having different types of data types. Okay, string, int, double, char, boolean. So we'll be looking this in next video. So this is a string, so I will give the data type string. That's it. Now this variable name holds the name Madhusudan. This is nothing but just variable holding. In the same way, int x equal to 20. So x is holding a value of 20. So this is the data type int. Now, so we are having three types of variables. One, local variable. Two, instance variable. And three, static variable. So we'll be looking one by one. First we see local variable. For local variable, a variable which is declared inside a class and inside a method is called local variable. See, I'm storing King Messi inside the main method. So this is local variable. So where I am storing inside the main method and inside the class. So this is nothing but local variable. Next, instance variable. The instance variable is declared inside the class but outside the method. See, outside the method means this is the method, right? So outside the method I will declare C, and inside the class. Now this is nothing but the instance variable. Next, final one, static variable. Static variable also same, which is declared outside the method but inside the class. So string name John Cena. And for now we have created three different types of variables: local variable, inside the class, and inside the method. Coming to instance and static variables, which will be defined outside the main method. Now here, if you want to access these variables, then first we will access local variable. If I click, right click, run as Java application. See, it got printed. So we are able to directly access the local variable. Now, if I try to access this static variable, now if I log, we are getting error. See, the error thrown cannot make static reference to non-static fields. So here the static and non-static comes into picture. See, so we need to provide a static keyword before the string. So this will become a static variable. Now if I access, see, it got printed. So by this we can understand that this is a static variable. Now if this is a static variable which is defined with the static keyword, then this will be a non-static. Okay, now if I access a non-static variable, see, if I run, see, it will throw error saying that unexpected compilation problem. So it cannot make a static reference to non-static field. So if we want to access non-static variable, then we need to create an object. How to create object means, what is the class name variable? Okay, equal to, here you can define your own name. I will define person equal to, you use a keyword called new, and here class name. That's it. Now if I try to access, dot is remove here method. Now if I log, see, is printed. So by this we can understand that for accessing the non-static variable, you need to create a object. So if you create an object, then only we can able to access a non-static variable. But in the static variable, no need to create any object, but inside the method we can directly access by using the variable name. This is a static variable. This is the local variable. And this is the non-static variable.